One of our most popular features is the Jira analysis. In CI systems, when engineers triage builds, they don't have the ability to add notes on builds or on failing tests. Build Butler changes that by letting us add notes, so triaging becomes a team effort. For example, we can type in a note describing the issue, such as add connection string, and then reference a Jira ticket number, for example, GS60. When we do that, Build Butler creates a link to that Jira ticket, and we can see it pointing to our Jira instance at the bottom. It pulls the current state of the ticket in real time. So the next time we refresh the page, if the ticket has changed its state, for example, it moves from done to ready for test, this page will reflect that updated state, so we always know where things stand. This makes it really easy to stay on top of Jira tickets directly from the build view. Another great benefit is that notes carry forward to future builds. So if build number 158 has a test case that is still failing, the triage note will carry over automatically. For example, we can go to an older build like build 156 and add a note, functional JS56. Then in build 157, we can see that note was carried over from the previous build. This means we can always look back and see what happened. If we come across a test case that was already triaged, there's no need to triage it again. And we can check whether the linked Jira ticket has moved to ready for test yet. This saves a lot of time during triaging. We can also go to the Jira analysis view, where we get a summary of all the Jira tickets that are linked to failing test cases. It shows their current state and how many failing test cases are tied to each ticket. This helps us prioritize our work. For example, if we want to bring our test failure count down, fixing JS60 is the best place to start because it affects the most failing tests. This analysis makes it clear that not all Jira tickets have the same impact, helping teams focus on what matters most. Let us know what you think about the Jira integration.